You know how I love to sand, but we took care of that situation. You'll see that later on in the video. And in this video, we've made 5 different cutting boards. I'm trying to recoup some of my cost here in the Old Guy Woodwork shop. I need to make this hobby as cost neutral as possible. Tell me in the comments down below, which one is your favorite? I'd also appreciate if you could tell me what videos you like best. Trying to increase the viewership and show what my subscribers want most. There's only a couple ways that I can do that. Make the videos more interesting, or make myself more interesting. I better stick with trying to make the videos more interesting. So leave in the comments what type of videos interest you most. The other realization that I came to, since I do a lot of video and I see myself on camera a lot, I'm going bald. So someone asked me why we cut these into strips when we make cutting boards. Well, usually it's because it's scrap. But in this case, when you have a wide piece like this, the wood is going to want to follow its grain pattern. So when this twists and wants to change direction, which it's going to do because it's wood, this piece, if it's really wide, is going to all cup all in the same direction. So when we rip these into smaller pieces and then we change the pattern of the grain, they're kind of fight against each other, and that's going to keep this from warping as much, and it's going to make that piece of wood a lot more stable than it is originally if it's one big piece. Yeah, I think this might be my favorite one right here. So don't forget to vote. Comments down below, put which one that you prefer. And I really like this video because I got my new tool. Careful, you can't call it a toy because then people won't take you serious. So our next project's probably gonna be an armoire jewelry box, stands about so high. That should be fun. So we'll see you in our next video. And hey, don't forget, like and subscribe. It's free.